Hi and welcome back. I think tonight we're going to work on the top of the seat pan. I'm just trying to do a little bit tonight because I worked on an RV all day today, so I'm pretty tired. And I think we're going to end it with moving the Bronco around and bringing the Camaro in because it's supposed to rain all next week. And I'd like to get out of the rain because there's so much rust holes in it. A lot of water just leaks through there. Anyways, that's the plan tonight. Let's do a little bit on the Bronco and pick up the garage and move the Camaro in. I think tonight I'm going to concentrate on this area through here. Try to get it sanded down and maybe prime, but I'm not sure on that. Okay, that didn't turn out too bad. pretty smooth. Got some pitting, and there's a, I don't know if you can see it, but a crack right there. So if we keep this piece, may have to clean that up and weld it together. I think I'm gonna wipe this down, and I'll spray some of that 2-in-1 on it. All right, we got a coat of primer on it. Doesn't look too bad. Hopefully we can save it. My tripod broke and my phone hit the floor, and I just got it yesterday, so the screen protector's cracked now. But anyways, probably gonna set y'all up in a box over here and clean the shop a little bit, and you can kind of see it's nasty, and bring the Camaro in, and then I think I'm gonna call it a night. But let's get cleaning and bring the car in. I know she sounds a little rough, but she drives well. But needs needs a lot of work on just about everything. Anyways, I think it's about time for me to go back in. Sure glad my new phone didn't burst into a million pieces, but anyways, I meant to tell you at the beginning of the video, I messed up my truck. I'll put some pictures right here. And I plan on fixing it myself. So if y'all would like to see that, kind of how I go about doing that, let me know in the comments. I think I'll get a new gas cap lid, and then bugs, and then prime it, paint it, and clear coat it to match the truck is my plan, and to buff out the scratches. But I hit my carport post trying to pull out between the RV and it, and I was in a hurry, and now I got more problems. So it pays off to take it slow and think about what you're doing before you do it. So on that note, if you like what you see and you want to run with me, just like, comment, and subscribe. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And it's, either doing something on the Bronco or now something on my 2016 Chevy Silverado. So really wish I did that. But anyways, just doing something here in the garage, but mainly working on that in the back, the Bronco. Anyways, thank you for watching, and thank you to my new subscribers. It means a lot to me. It really helps the channel out and helps me out. And just want to say thank you again, and I'll see you on the next.